Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit Ton into your Telegram wallet, into your Telegram Ton space. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. Guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your Telegram wallet. As you can see right here, I'm on my Telegram wallet. But let me show you guys how you can get here. Let me go back now to my Telegram page. So guys, now you can see right here is my, once you open up your Telegram, this is the interface you're going to see. Let me show you how you can go over to your Telegram wallet right now. What you have to do is to tap on the menu icon, that 3 horizontal bar at the top left. So let me tap on it real quick. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see wallet. That's the second option. So let me tap on it. Right there guys, now you can see my Telegram wallet is loading up. So let's wait a few seconds. You can see now I've opened up my Telegram wallet. Now the next step you have to take now in order to deposit Ton into your Telegram wallet is to tap on where you can see Ton space. You can see it right there. Let me tap on Ton space. Then the next step now you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it right there. So let me tap on deposit. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. This is where you're going to be able to copy your Ton address, your Ton deposit address. You can see what's written there. Receive Ton network assets. Send only Ton coin, Ton, and tokens in Ton network to this address. Otherwise, you might lose your funds. So guys, what this means is that whatever you want to send to this address that you want to copy now, make sure that it is Ton or any Ton network assets. So guys, make sure of that. So guys, now for you to copy this your Ton deposit address, what you have to do now is to tap on copy. So let me tap on copy right away. So guys, now you can see address is copied to clipboard. So guys, we're actually copying this because we want to deposit Ton into our Telegram wallet. For you to do that, the first step you have to take is to copy this wallet address, and that's what we've just done now. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go over to the withdrawal exchange or withdrawal wallet. So you have to go over to the withdrawal platform. The withdrawal platform we're going to be using in this tutorial today is gate.io. So we're going to be withdrawing Ton from our gate.io and then depositing it into our Telegram wallet. So guys, that's how I'm going to do it. So let me go over to my gate.io account real quick. Let me minimize, then let me open up my gate.io account. So guys, now you can see my gate.io account has opened up. So now the next step you have to take now is to first of all confirm if you have Ton on your gate.io account. For you to do that, you have to tap on assets. You can see it right there. So let me tap on assets. So guys, now under my assets, you can see now I have Ton. You can see Ton right there. You can see my Ton balance. I have 11.748475 Ton. You can see it right there. So I've confirmed this now. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. You can see withdraw right there. You have to withdraw this Ton so that you can be able to deposit it into your Telegram wallet. So let me tap on withdraw real quick. Then the next step now you have to take is to tap on where you can see on-chain withdrawal. So let me tap on on-chain withdrawal. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So this is where you have to select the crypto that you want to withdraw, and for this case we want to withdraw Ton. So what you have to do now is to look for Ton throughout here. You can also use the search icon at the top to search for Ton. So let me tap on it, then let me type in Ton, Ton, then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the top result right there. It is Ton open network, the open network. So what you have to do now is to tap on it now to select it. So let me tap on Ton now to select it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Tips: don't click on any links received by SMS or email from strangers. Don't trust strangers who call you on the phone. Gate.io will never instruct you to do any transfer or withdrawals. So let me tap on got it. So guys, take note of that. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go ahead now to paste the Ton deposit address that you copied from your Telegram wallet. You can see where it's written address. That's where you have to paste it. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to impute to paste the address that I copied. You can see the address right there. So let me tap on it now. So guys, now you can see I've pasted the Ton deposit address I copied from my Telegram wallet. Now the next step you have to take now is to select the right network. You can see where it's written network. You can see the network right there. Chosen there is the open network. That's the same thing as Ton. Ton means the open network, so that's the right network. But in case you didn't see Ton there or the open network, what you can do is you tap on that drop down icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. Then if there are many options, you're going to find it right here. But the only options we have here, the only option we have here is the open network, which is the Ton network, which is actually the right one. So let's select it. Now the next step, now you have to impute memo. For this case, we don't need memo for this transaction at all. You can see what's written there. Most exchanges require memo/tag in order for your ton to be properly credited. Please double check that the memo/tag you entered for your withdrawal is correct, is the correct one. But guys, for this video you don't need any memo. You can see where it is written not use memo, so let me take that right away. So I'm not using any memo. What you have to do now is to impute the amount of ton they want to deposit into your Telegram wallet. So you can see there the minimum is 1.16 ton. So guys, take note of that. So let me impute let me just impute 10. So guys, I want to deposit 10 ton into my Telegram wallet. So let me go back now. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see withdraw. But before you go ahead now to tap on withdraw, you can see the transaction fee. The transaction fee is 0.16 ton. You can see it right there. So I'm going to be receiving 9.84 ton in my account because of this transaction fee, which is actually somewhat considerable. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on confirm now to go ahead now to proceed with this transaction. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. You can see the next step, it says arrival amount. So this is the amount I'm going to be receiving in my Telegram wallet. Like I said, 9.84. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to tap on confirm, then there to confirm the transaction. Let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see here's the next step, security verification. They said I have to enter my phone password, my email verification code, and also Google authenticator code. So let me go ahead now to get all of this code and input my phone password as well. Let me do that real quick. Right there guys, can see I've imputed my phone password and my email code and also my Google authenticator code. So let me tap on confirm to confirm it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Wow guys, can see withdrawal request is being processed. You can see right here withdrawal application. You can see you can cancel the application if you want. You can see it's counting down. So guys, what you have to do now is to wait for a few seconds so that this transaction is going to be confirmed. So while we wait, what I'm going to do now is to tap on return. So let me tap on return. You can see guys, we are back here. As you can see now, my balance has reduced, this to show that it has been successfully withdrawn. So let me go over to my history now, transaction history, to confirm that. Let me tap on history. Right here guys, can see it right there. You can see it, you can see the transaction right there, ton on-chain withdrawal. You can see -10, that means 10 ton was deducted from my git.io account. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. You can see the date and the time is just now. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Telegram wallet now, to my ton space, to confirm if actually I've received the ton. So let me minimize now, then let me go over to my Telegram. Let me go back. Wow guys, can see notification right there. It says received in ton. Let me open it up. You can see it right there. They said received in ton space 9.84 ton. You can see it right there. This also to confirm it, but you can see also the withdrawal notification. They said withdrawal request successful. That means this is the withdrawal from my git.io account. So guys can see it right there. Let me scroll upwards now, then let me confirm it in my you can see now my balance has increased in my Telegram wallet. It used to be about 2.6 USD. So guys, to confirm it now, let me scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see received. You can see now I just received 9.84 ton today. You can see it right there. It's supposed to be 10, but due to the transaction fee, the gas fee, it was reduced to 9.84 ton. So let me open it up now. So guys, now you can see it right there, received. You can see the amount, the success. You can see the status. So guys, now this is how you can be able to deposit ton into your Telegram wallet, into your ton space on Telegram. So guys, it's very easy, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.